What's going on YouTube? This is Andre Classic Cuts reporting live.
What's going on, Mr. Classic Cuts? My name is Robert. I just bought some clippers and I'm gonna give my son a haircut. I just wanted to know, if I put the zero guard on the clippers and I cut his hair going with the grain, exactly how long will his hair still be? Will he be closer to looking like it's a bald head, or will it still be wave length? Can you just give me like a picture or a visual to actually where that length will be before I actually start cutting his hair?
What's going on, Andre Classic Cuts? This is Kevo. I basically just wanted to know, can you show me what the one guard actually look like what it does, what's the actual length that you can get? Like, can you give me a picture? I'm trying to get my waves right. I know the summertime is around the corner. I just want my waves to be popping, and I want to get the exact length, because some people keep cutting my hair too low, and I just want to know where is a one guard should be. What should be the actual length, so I can start getting ready for the summertime with my waves.
What's going on, Classic Cuts? This is Daquan. I have mixed people hair. I just wanted to know, can you show me the length of what a 2 guard is supposed to be, going with the grain, going with the direction that your hair actually grows? Can you just show me what that number 2 guard is going to do, so I'll know when I actually try it on myself later on today?
Hey yo Dre, this is Michael. I was just wondering, what exactly is the 3 guard even used for? Like, what type of cut would you actually use for a 3 guard? Yo, what's up? So in this video, I'm basically going to go over the entire guard system from 0, 1, 2, 3 to 4. I'm just going to show you the length for each individual guard, for each individual type of cut that will be on top of someone's head. Going with the grain, what basically means the direction of the hair growing, or from the top going all the way towards the edge up. That's going with the grain. So I'm just show you, and I'm gonna have my lever all the way closed so you guys don't have to worry about what about if you move the lever. Right now I'm not talking about moving the lever at all or opening it up. It's just with the lever closed. So I'm gonna go with my 0 guard and show you the actual hair that you will end up cutting. This is typically the length that you'll end up getting if you use the 0 guard, and like I said, this is with the lever all the way closed. Same thing with the 1. This is typically the type of length that you'll end up getting. 9 times out of 10, it's not to the T, but it'll be around that area. The next one right here is the 2 guard, and it's basically the length that you'll end up getting with the 2 guard. With mixed people hair typically go with the 2 guard. If you're mixed, I wouldn't go any lower. But at 3 guard, this is typically how it'll end up looking. I feel like the 3 guard is more so for like custom type cuts. Usually people don't actually ask for the 3 guard. And lastly, this is the 4 guard, and I just use it for really like low, like mid, like flat top type haircuts. And that pretty much concludes this entire video. I'm out. Lastly, I'd just like to say thanks for the support. I done reached 5,000 subscribers this week. I remember when I only had 5, and I just want to say shout out to everybody that's been supporting me from the beginning. Also, if you want to see another type of video, or you have a video that you specifically would like for me to make, just drop it in the comments or just hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram is Classified Keys as always, and I'm out. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to your boy Andre Classic Cuts, and make sure y'all hit that bell right there so y'all be notified every single time I drop new heat. And more importantly, I'm always on like Twitter or Instagram, but mostly Instagram, and I try to like follow back every single person, and I drop pictures of my cuts on a regular basis. So if you follow me on Instagram, I'll follow you back instantly. And I'm out.